In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter iMessage and text messages on your iPhone and stop those pesky notifications in just 5 minutes. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by endless notifications or messages from people you don't know, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through separating messages and muting specific conversations, all while making sure you stay organized and less interrupted. First up, we need to enable message filtering. This handy tool takes messages from people not in your contacts and moves them to a separate tab, so your inbox stays clutter-free. To start, open your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Apps section and then tap on Messages. Now, as you scroll through the options within Messages, look for the toggle labelled Filter Unknown Senders. Make sure to slide this toggle to the On position. What this does is split your inbox into two neat sections, one for known senders and another for unknown senders. With message filtering now enabled, you might be wondering what happens to notifications from those unknown numbers. Here's the beauty of it. You won't receive notifications from unknown senders anymore, but don't worry, all those texts will still be safely stored away in that unknown senders tab. If you ever need to take a peek at them, they're always there, just not pinging and bothering you throughout your busy day. Next, let's talk about muting specific conversations. We all have those threads we'd rather not hear from every time a message comes through. To do this, open up your Messages app and find the conversation you'd like to silence. Once you've found it, simply swipe left on that particular chat. You'll see an option to hide alerts. Tap on this, or alternatively you could open the chat, tap the contact name or number at the top, and toggle on the hide alerts option from there. When you're successful, you'll notice a small moon icon next to the chat. This icon indicates that alerts from this conversation are silenced. It means the messages will still come through, they'll just do so quietly, without disturbing your day with constant notifications. And there you have it, your guide to managing your messages more effectively on your iPhone. By filtering unknown senders and muting specific conversations, you can reduce the noise in your digital life significantly. It's a small adjustment, but it can lead to a big improvement in managing your time and attention, freeing up more space for what's really important. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.